Hi, I'm Hannah Majeski, and this is my ADCI 270 screencast for assessment tools for quizzes. So today I'll be showing you a big one that I've used a lot and a lot of teachers like to use, and that's Quizlet. And Quizlet is really nice because you can put flashcards of the definitions and you can type them in right here. You can also learn them. So this just tests you over the ones you need remaining, and it keeps testing you over them until you get it down. Also, in addition, you can write from memory, you can spell it out, you can test yourself, you can match, and then you can play games. So this is just a combination of all things that help you or like a student remember and assess themselves and how to learn. So the nice thing about this is that they can test themselves as many times as they want, and they can learn it and keep checking themselves, and it's all on one single platform. So that's why Quizlet is very nice for assessing a student's learning. And in my case, I put definitions of different disabilities, and then I put examples, and then I put the definitions right here, and then I can easily learn and play games and then eventually quiz myself. Thank you.